going on, YouTube? So in this video, we're going to be going over how to make money on YouTube without monetization and without becoming a YouTube partner. I want to welcome you back, everyone. My name is Nika, and on this channel, we talk about carving our own path to financial freedom. Make sure you subscribe if you like the content on this channel. Be sure to like and comment with your PayPal email, as we will be randomly picking a comment to give $25 to through PayPal for every 1,000 subscribers. We're talking about how to make money on YouTube without monetization and without becoming a YouTube partner. So let's go! Watch this video all the way until the end, because I'm going to give you some huge tips that will help you avoid coming off as spammy or having your content blocked by your social media platforms. So stay with me until the very end. A real easy way is with affiliate marketing of digital products and physical products. A site like ClickBank has thousands of great digital products that you can promote by inserting a link in the description. Amazon also has an affiliate program and thousands of products that you can create an affiliate link to and place in the description of your videos. The commissions on ClickBank products can be very lucrative. Now, Amazon, because they have the brand awareness and they are king of the online retail space, their commission payouts per items is not very big, but you can make up for it in volume because Amazon already has built-in customer base. And if a person has Amazon Prime, you eliminate the added cost of shipping to your customer's purchase. Many of the tools you use for your videos, websites, blog posts, etc., have affiliate programs as well. Seasoned marketers typically will always sign up to be an affiliate of products that they actually use, and they post those links in the description of every video they make. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So go ahead, sign up for ClickBank, Amazon, and the affiliate groups for the companies that you use. And make sure you check out some of my links below in the description on other ways to make money online with social media platforms like Facebook and Pinterest. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment with your PayPal email so that you get a chance of winning $25 in your PayPal account. Huge tip number 1, use a site like tinyurl or bit.ly to shrink your long affiliate links. Huge tip number 2, use a site like Sniply to add your links to within an informative relative article and then post the article to your social media. Click my affiliate links for tools I use so we both win. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment with your PayPal email so that you get a chance of winning $25 in your PayPal account.